Okay, and now we're going to go over negative symbol as opposite, which just is saying, really, you just had to find the opposite of whatever the number is. So whenever you see it marked the way it is now, where you see that negative in front of a negative right there, that means the opposite of that number. So, the opposite of the negative number. Actually, this is even more confusing probably for you guys. So, so let's start by breaking down this negative e. That means the opposite of e. The opposite of e is going to be, so the opposite of e is going to be negative 0.6. So then if I'm looking for the opposite of e, really these two together mean that I'm just going right back where I started at the 0.6. So then my answer here would be 0.6. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. I'm sorry, my computer froze for a second. So 0.6 is what I'm going to put in. So I'm going to check it, and that is correct. So look at the next question. So again, we're looking at a negative negative, which, as I told you before, if I have two negatives here, I'm really just saying I'm going back to the original number, because the opposite of 10, so this would be negative 10, and the opposite of that negative 10 would be a positive 10, which is right here at E. So I'm going to go down to E, and I'm going to select that one. All right, we'll do one more. This one is asking us to move the dot to negative A. Now, this one is going to be far less confusing for you probably, well, for two reasons. One, because A happens to be 0 here. The opposite of 0 is 0. So really, I'm just moving it to 0. Now, because that was a 0, I'm going to do one more. All right. So this one has negative. It wants us to have negative A. So whatever A is, whatever its opposite is our answer. So A is between 4 and 6, which means it's at positive 5. The opposite of positive 5 is negative 5. So I'm just going to put negative 5. And that's it. All right. Well, I hope that that helps you guys out. And let me know if I can do anything else to help you. Okay. You guys have a great day.